Ho, ho, ho! Hello there! Well, today we have a new book for you, and let me put some things down here, and we'll pull this out. Christmas is a Time of Giving, and this is by Joanne Walsh Unglin, and I believe, well, it's very old. I forgot what year it was. 1930s, 1950s. I guess that should have been something I looked at beforehand, but you know how it goes. Sometimes you get so excited to look at a book. I'll have to look at it later, but also it comes in German as well. And so this is Christmas is a Time of Giving. You can see the cover there. The real short one. Christmas is a Time of Giving. 1961 is when it was first released. And it's Christmas is a Time of Giving. It's a time of wrapping gifts and making cookies. A time of presents tucked in secret places. In this instance, the wall clock, or the grandfather clock, and of children waiting. I think they're waiting at the manger. It's a time of toys and drums and dolls. You can see them play with that there. It's a time of holly and lights and golden tinsel and green pine bows. Well, I guess it was before they were doing color. It's a time of stars and midnight and soft prayers whispered in the dark. You can see them there looking out at the dark. Christmas is a time of family and good friends meeting once again. And they're coming over for dinner, it looks like, or to celebrate and have presents. It's a time of song and caroling and silver sleigh bells jingling across the snow. Playing in the snow, and you can see the horse-driven carriage in the background there. It's such a small book. For some people, Christmas is a time of remembering other happy days filled with laughing voices and other treasured times now past. I think she's telling him some stories about the old times. But for everyone, it is a time of magic when troubles melt and once again the world is young. Oh. There's a kitty in the corner there. I wish my kitty would stay in the corner, Elliot. It is the time above all others when peace may visit earth and find a dwelling place in every heart. Christmas is a time of giving, a time of hope, and a time of joy. They're cuddling there. Christmas is a blessed time of love. Now, she wrote this in German too, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make that one of the next books I read. Okay? Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this story. Bye-bye.